combination. Remember I told you about all those ancient cultures and herbal things that I studied? Well, guess what? It all comes to bear in this product. We use something that the shaman from North America use. It's called opuncha, or nopal. We got some Latinos out there who know what nopalito is? Right? So you take the nopal cactus and you strip it and you dry it in the desert. You dry it until it's so dry, and then you grind it in a mortar and pestle, and it creates these fine fibers like little hairs. Then you mix those little hairs with your food, and when you eat it, those little hairs expand, and they occupy glucose receptor sites. They stop your body from absorbing sugar, and they make you feel full faster. And the North American shaman, the Native American Indians, have been using this to help control diabetes and other conditions in their community for centuries. And we actually took nopal, and it's the first ingredient in control. And this opuncha is what I call it because it's a special way of preparing it. This opuncha is one of the 5 ingredients in control. So when you take control before you eat and you drink some water, the nopal fibers are going to expand, and they're going to occupy glucose receptor sites that when you eat, your body doesn't start putting a bunch of glucose in your blood, and that's pretty cool. We also have, everybody's heard of how it was on Dr. Oz, and it's so popular. Did you know that we've been selling Garcinia gambosia, the highest quality Garcinia gambosia, for like 15 years before anybody else even knew what it was? Yep. And then the quality of ours is like super high level pharmaceutical quality because we get it from a pharmaceutical company in India. And did you know that when the price went up because it got so popular, that Amy and I decided that we didn't need to make a profit on the product. We weren't going to raise the price, and we have not made a profit on that product for almost a year now. Because of the popularity of that one ingredient, we went from $38 a kilo to $138 a kilo in 5 months. And we weren't going to take the lower quality ingredient. So the combination of Garcinia gambosia, which makes the signal that makes your brain think you're full, it accelerates it. So you feel full faster. The green tea makes you less hungry. The nopalito makes your stomach feel full faster. And all these things are working together the way that holistic medicine does. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Now we also have white American ginseng, which raises your energy level, increases oxygen uptake, keeps you from feeling lethargic and low down. Okay? So each of these ingredients, by the way, was taken from a different culture. Each of those 4 ingredients came from a different continent. Okay? And from a different ancient form of healing. Each one of them. But we added a 5th ingredient. Remember, I promised you that there were 5 ingredients. 4 were taken from ancient knowledge, and 1 was taken from modern science. Isn't that cool about Purium? Yeah. The way we fuse and integrate things that no one else does. And so the final ingredient is called white kidney bean extract. Now, white kidney bean extract is a very unique starch because it takes sugar and it turns sugar into complex carbohydrates. That's the opposite of what usually happens, right? Carbohydrates get turned into sugar. Well, white kidney bean extract turns sugar into carbohydrate. So if you happen to eat that cake, or those potatoes, or those white crackers, or whatever it is that might be on your plate, guess what? It's going to stop it from being so damaging to your body. It's going to slow it down. And on 5 different levels, if you eat this product, control, just 20 or 30 minutes before your meal with a glass of water, there's no way that you could overeat. So if you're going out to that luau, if you're going out to get some vitamin T with your friends, right? Then maybe you gotta try a little control. And I don't mean self-control, I mean Purium.